So Prakash, before Prakash gonna share his experience, I'm gonna show the audience what he looked like before. And he's a very young, handsome guy, and with a full set of hair, it really transformed his look. Again, this is what Prakash looked like before. He already a handsome guy, but what happened when you lose your hair, you look older, and it take away some of your look. And with a lower hairline, full set of hair, it frames the face better. And hence the eyes, the nose, all the features that God created. So I'm gonna leave the stage to Prakash. That was before. I don't think he want to see that picture again. But the younger Prakash is here, and that's his full face. So go ahead, share your experience with the audience.
Yeah. So thanks, Dr. Diep. I think Dr. Diep did a phenomenal job, and I'm more than happy to share my experience. I would like to start off saying when the hair loss actually affected me was when I started noticing when I'm with my friends, with family, you suddenly start losing a lot of hair, and you start feeling awkward or odd when you groups, and you start feeling that complexity when you are sitting with your friends, sitting with your family and a young daughter. And so that's when I decided, you know what, I do want to go through this. And I heard about Dr. Diep through a cousin of mine who came here and was very successful, and that was very shocking to see him go through such a huge transformational change in his features and face. So that's how I approached Dr. Diep, and it was very easy to choose. It was just one meeting with Dr. Diep, and he totally shared the whole procedure and process, convinced me. I just booked him, and he's one of those busiest doctors, so it took 9 months for me to get an appointment.
But it's worth the wait.
It's worth the wait, I agree. It's worth the wait. And then the whole day, it was a long day. I went through 5,000 grafts sitting. So it started off around 6 o'clock in the morning, and it took till 10 o'clock. But the key thing is, Dr. Diep doesn't do anything in haste. He was very perfection in what he does. So it is worth the 16 hours spent. There is definitely, I would say, I didn't come prepared for any pain or stuff for the first few days. So the couple of days, it will be, especially you will go through some, since you have some medication, there is some pain, of course, for such a big transformation over a weekend. Small pain, I think that's, you guys should expect, but I'm saying it's worth it. But after the weekend, it's just like you need to wear a cap for a few weeks, and until you get back, and within a week you can get back to work and start being normal. And after about 2 to 3 months, I started seeing real growth in hair. And from 6 months on, I need to go to haircut every 2 weeks. So it's a new problem that I have, and the problem that I'm looking forward for. So, but I think it is different. I totally feel it. I see the hair growth, and it's 1 year since I got my the procedure done. And I'm super happy, and I've referred to several people, and I recommend John for what he does. He's a great doctor. Thank you.
Well, thank you, Prakash, for sharing the experience. Because, you know, hair transplant is, hair can really transform a person's face, and not just the face, but your personality and how you feel inside, and you bring it out, you know. And so this is, you know, how the hair result will be for us. But I'm thankful for Prakash allowing me to share in the audience what your experience looked like. Okay.
Thank you.
So this is what he looked like before, and then the handsome face right here.